footprint in the 19 plus countries with 2 lakhs plus franchisee deals. A big, big round of applause for them, please. थोड़ी तालियां हो जाइए, please. Yes, I wanted that. Thank you. All right. So, as we all know, today here we are going to do some amazing launch wherein 3, not 1, not 2, but there are going to be 3 global brands which are going to be launched in India with starting of the same, which requires an invasion of India and focus development brand, not only domestic but an international sector as well, which talks about luxury and experience-led formats. Okay, so now let's quickly have our opening address with Mr. Gaurav Maira. Can we hear a big round of applause from the franchising guy? He's going to be the chairman. Please, जोरदार तालियां हो जाए audience. Come on. Okay, before that, we would like to felicitate our guest of honors today. As we have already announced the name, our lovely team over here is right here. Can we hear a big one? India's consumers today is going to be here. Thank you. Thank you so much. Gaurav sir, over to you. Some opening address for a lovely, great audience.
World's largest franchise development company. We're very excited for this partnership. I've been discussing this with Jackie for almost about a year and a half, and he was always saying that these should be a meaningful brands where both Kul and Jackie can be part of it. And finally, we have a moment where we have these 3 global brands which are entering Indian market, and we're very excited for the partnership. I'll give you a little background about these 3 brands, so you should know. One is a brand called Fibersec. Fibersec actually in French is called Sanisec. It's the world's largest luxury dry cleaning company. It serves the best of the best names from Louis Vuitton to Prada and likes of them. 2,000 stores, 40 countries, and now entering Indian market. The first store is going to be opened next month in Hyderabad, which is where she is extremely popular, so we chose Hyderabad for that reason. The second brand is called EasyGym. EasyGym is part of Easy Group, which is a billion-dollar company out of Europe. They also run EasyJets. Very successful group, headed by Star Studios. And so we run gyms in London, we have gyms in France, and now we just opened up state-of-art, top-of-the-line gym in Delhi. It's a 25,000 square feet. Probably the best fitness club in the country. So that's already operational, and many more are coming in different parts, and soon we'll bring it to Bandra, where we feel that it would be part of closer to their home. So it's a brand which is we're very excited. And the third brand is called Lens Coffee. Then also Jackie actually saw a menu and he really wanted to really know that he's not getting into anything which is not healthy, and because both of them are very active in fitness and lifestyle and so forth. So a great brand, again out of Canada, a very old brand. It was the first brand which started matcha, which has now become very popular. It has the first one to introduce, and later it was done by many other brands, including Starbucks and like so. So it started in 1992, and we are opening up the first store in Chandigarh because of being Canadian brand, and Canada is North India has a lot of liking, and she also comes from North, so both of them selected this brand also. So we're very excited. And one more important thing is that I've done and worked with a lot of celebrities in the past, and working with both of them, I never felt that. I felt that they were entrepreneurs. They think like what I think. They're deeply involved in businesses. They want to research more about businesses which can make impact. They also believe in creating entrepreneurs, which is the model which we're going. We will select entrepreneurs who will become future partners. So very excited about the journey and very excited about this partnership, and hopefully InVision, which is our holding company, would continue to select brands which fit the right profile and also our Indian consumer. Thank you.
Move of our eyes on the screen because we will be having some AV presentations moving on. So can we please have the AVs playing on together with all of us? Well, till then, let me just tell you, I think, if it's taking time, let me just tell you, it's going to be a world-class fitness, smarter value when it comes to Easy Gym. Has anybody heard about it? Okay, let's keep it this way. Has anybody heard about it by any chance before? You have?
Hi everyone. I've heard about it. I've seen it in London, but I haven't. I've checked out the place, but I haven't really tried it. I can't really say that I've gone there and trained, but I've seen the facility, and it's really nice. And what's amazing about Easy Gym is it's 24 hours. So a lot of time people say fitness के लिए time नहीं मिलता है. So now we're giving you a 24-hour gym, which has state-of-the-art facilities and affordable pricing.
Very true. I think Jackie sir wanted to say something.
Good afternoon, everyone. Thank you so much for coming here and supporting us. Easy Gyms is something which I've used personally when we were shooting for Bell Bottom and Ganpat in UK. I used to go regularly there. I think it was very, very cool. There was, you go online, you get your membership, and you can punch in your code and you walk inside.
It's that easy.
It is that easy, and they have the best equipments. So I've experienced it myself. So when Mr. Maria told me about Easy Gyms coming to India, I thought that it goes perfectly well with our ethos. And I feel the fitness industry is around 16,000 crores. So hopefully we can work hard and get a good amount of market share in the coming future.
That is very true. Well, I could see that Easy Gym effect is on your body all now together.
We're
ये मुझे डेली 2 घंटे वर्कआउट कराती है
अरे
जिम में.
No, I think people who know us know that we are, fitness is a lifestyle for us, and I think we've said this many a times before, even before we actually came together. As individuals, we are somebody who believe in fitness, who live, eat, breathe fitness, and it's not about just working out, right? It's about the lifestyle you follow. It's not about what you do in that 1 hour, but about what you do in the remaining 23 hours as well. And I think our synergies, we actually really got along because our ethos is similar. Yeah, this is my favorite better. Yeah, so we got along because our ethos is similar, we think in the same way, and we really hope that we can have that little impact on the youth of this country, not just youth, on everybody, on the Indian consumers, and make fitness a way of life.
True, very true. And of course, a Sindhi community as well. Well, we all integrated that.
India, yeah, we're Indians.
No, not that way. Since now you entered into that.
That's why I have to work 10% harder.
Yeah. Yeah, true. Sindhi food is like
The food at home is like crazy.
Oh yeah, oh. Yeah.
That's really music. Alright, are we ready with the video now? Okay, let's quickly have up. What we just heard, and let's now move on to the one that is blend coffee.
Canada's premium handcrafted coffee chain.
Double hand.
30 plus years of global success. They provide a robust proprietary training program. Award-winning handcrafted beverage.
Lovers, well now we will be having a fancy video. Can we have the video?
Welcome.
Blends Coffee is
The
also
final set,
popular for its
the world's #1.
Oh, one second, so sorry. Can
Blends
you
Coffee is also popular for its hot chocolate.
Yeah.
Sorry.
So on my cheat day, I know where to go.
On Textile Care brand. Textile Care experts. Trusted by 1,900 plus stores across 33 countries. Revolutionizing fabric care from Paris to India. Hydrocarbon dry cleaning, aqua cleaning, spot treatment.
since we already had a word about, Easy Gym, now one more line of 5 minutes about the same that goes with Blends Coffee and Fiber Sec, or however you're comfortable. If you want to take advice, just two.
I think what I want to start with is that Fibersec really got our attention. If you read the statistics, if you follow the statistics, laundry is a 2.5 lakh crore industry, and out of which 95% is unorganized. And it is really growing at a very fast rate. It's just about 5 to 9% which falls under the organized sector, and which is expected to grow. And I think with the kind of consumer demands, the younger generation is looking at, the newer generation is looking at an organized way of doing laundry, and that's what really caught our eye, and Fibersec hence, came into play.
Also to add to Rakul, Mr. Maria spoke about entrepreneurship, right? So brands like Fibersec, Blends Coffee or Easy Gyms will give birth to a lot of young entrepreneurs who are looking to do, plan their future, and because it's a 2.5 lakh crore market, there is a lot of scope to grow. So you will see, hopefully, that a lot of young entrepreneurs are born thanks to Invasion Brands, and that's what we are really excited about also, because we believe in that. And Blends Coffee.
We're both
Can I
coffee.
go?
Yeah, please.
So Blends Coffee, the beauty about, as in, I'm a coffee addict, and I love coffee. That's the only vice I have. The beauty about the whole coffee shops like Starbucks and cafe coffee days of the world, it's already a 3,000 to 4,000 crore market amongst the popular brands, and again the unorganized sector would be some 2,000 to 3,000 crores more. So there's a huge scope for Blends Coffee to come in, because Blends Coffee is known for community building. It's known for, of course, interesting coffee. But it's also known, like Matcha they were the first one to do it. They have, premium hot chocolate, Belgian hot chocolate, and so on and so forth. So there's something for everyone in Blends Coffee.
Yeah.
And especially, हमारी जो हिंदुस्तानी टेस्ट है, उसमें अगर फ्लेवर नहीं आता है तो मज़ा नहीं आता है. So I think Blends Coffee will make sure that that's fully taken care of.
Any words from you for the Blends Coffee?
I think he's covered most of it. I think what really excited me with Blends Coffee is the kind of coffees, because like Jackie said, we both are coffee lovers and we love experimenting. So the kind of macchiatos and cortado and like different kind of things. And I feel like, I'm sure you all are aware that the coffee culture is really growing in the country. And I think like Jackie said, it's about community building. It's about a place to hang out with friends. Some people prefer to work from coffee shops, and I think Blends gives that perfect feeling of doing all of the above. And yeah, where taste meets fun.
And also, I should add, both of them insisted that we should have a health menu.
Yeah.
So I have actually told the Canadian team they're working on creating a special menu, which would come for especially people who follow fitness and things like that.
Yeah, I mean, we can't be having Easy Gym and non-healthy coffees at the same time, so we need to cater to both. But I think there's going to be something for everyone. And like you saw in the video of Blends Coffee, ऐसा नहीं है कि खाली healthy मिलेगा. For people who want like desserts and indulgent cakes, you have all of it. Yeah, and like he said, hot chocolate for the cheat day.
That is very important to get yourself motivated on the other things.
Absolutely.
Lovely. Well, now we would like to, you want to see something? Let's put on our Q&A sessions.
Yeah.
One by one. Let's.
Nice to see both of you doing this. Wanted to ask you, are you here as brand investors or have you invested in this when you say partners?
So we are investors in Invasion Brands, and that's why we are here, because we really believe in all the three brands, and hopefully we'll add more to the kitty. But yes, we are not here in the capacity of just brand ambassadors.
Yeah.
That of course will go without saying, but we are also investors.
Yeah.
My question to both of you all, I was actually very looking forward to Blends Coffee in Mumbai.
Really?
When is it coming? Because I'm a huge coffee addict myself.
Great.
And second thing is that Mumbai as a coffee market, there are so many also homegrown brands, like you have Bokas of the world.
Yeah.
And every other day, especially the place you guys stay at in Bandra, there is a new coffee shop that's opening.
Yeah.
What is the USP going to be of Blends Coffee in Mumbai especially? And of course, the health option, I think he covered.
Yeah.
Because I was going to ask you guys, is there going to be a menu for your gluten-free sugar-free
Yeah.
of the world?
Yeah.
So yeah, whoever wants to take that.
You want to go ahead?
Should I?
Either way.
Go.
So coming to your so first part of the question, I think in the next 2-3 months we should have a Blends Coffee in India, coming in India, Mumbai. First one in
Hyderabad.
Chandigarh. First one in Chandigarh, and then very soon in Mumbai as well. And coming to your question of, we have the Bocas and the Bougies of the world, but I think we've had many chains even way before that, and irrespective, in spite of that, these two brands that we're talking about really blew out of proportion. So there's always space for comfort coffees, a great place to hang out. I think it's the vibe, it's the service, it's the warmth, and obviously what's on the menu that makes it different. And I think that's our endeavor, to create a balance of indulgence and health, so that it and warmth, to begin with.
And also variants of blends.
And
So if
variants
you are
of
a
blends,
strong coffee drinker, you can have a strong option. If you are lighter, then you can have that.
Yeah.
And we'll also have the full range of a lot of tea lovers who come only for tea.
Yeah, a lot of infusion teas. Yes.
Also, just to add to a small thing on your question, is that the confidence on expansion lies between what Blends Coffee stands for and what Franchise India can achieve. Right? It's a combination of that, and that's why we are very, very confident, and more than confident, we are just optimistic about because any brand, if you want to make it pan-India, or there are 5 countries which we will go to, so hopefully you'll be seeing Blends Coffee very, very soon across the place.
And just to add, because you mentioned about how many cafes are coming, you'll be surprised that the number that Jackie said, the 4,000 crore number, the 3,000 to 4,000 crore number of revenue of coffee shops is actually split between just 4 brands. Okay, so there's really scope to grow if you meet the expectation, which we really hope we will.
Would you be going out of India?
Yes, InVision would go out of India also. We already very focused on Southeast Asia and GCC, Gulf countries.
Rahul and Jackie, जिस तरह से आप लोग like top back to back investment कर रहे हैं, तो हम ऐसा माने कि top Indian actor के साथ साथ में top richest में भी अपने नाम आना चाहते हैं?
देखो आपके मुंह में घी शक्कर।
Why not?
मैं झूठ बोल रहा हूँ अगर but the whole idea is that I feel that cinema is our passion, and cinema is what has given both Rakul and me an identity, and we eat, sleep, breathe cinema. And all the other brands जिसके बारे में आपने बात किया, उम्मीद यही है कि ये सारे brands अच्छा करें. सबसे important चीज़ होता है client servicing, so people should be happy. Progress and money is a byproduct of that.
Yeah, I think he's covered most of it. Of course, I think, and just to add, we're doing these partnerships and everything that we're doing when it comes to being investors, our areas that we're really passionate in. Whether it's fitness, whether it's coffee, whether it's our other brands, we're really passionate. And like Jackie said, that it's all about bringing your passion to life and client servicing and creating that impact. So that's our endeavor. Now, उसके बाद फिर अच्छा हो जाए तो बहुत अच्छी बात है.
So पैसों की सारी counting आप अपने पास रखती हैं ना?
ये Jackie
मैं आपको please बता दूं कि Home Minister is Home Minister, and she's better in maths than me. She was a maths honors.
I think I'm just better in budgeting than him.
I have no Sindhi traits. Clearly, you all know that.
Is there a full form for FIASEC?
It's called Sangesek. It's a 5 sec. It's 5 and 6.
5 and 6.
Anyone else?
Yeah. Sir, I just wanted for coffee.
What kind of packaging for coffee?
So packaging would be obviously recyclable and all paper, food grade papers. if you are asking.
Would be like in a sachet or something like that, cafe coffee day you get it?
No, you get a bean to cup coffee. So we'll have beans, roasted beans, which would do the coffee.
Are you guys also going to be available on your Zeptos and the Blinkits of the world for beans?
Beans, no, initially. It's a cafe concept. You can buy beans from the cafe initially. But later, who knows, we will like to sell coffee everywhere, packaged coffee also.
You can never say never.
Yes.
Mayur here from Beyond Bollywood.
Hi.
My question is more to Rakul and Jackie. For centuries, we've heard that a lot can happen over coffee. You have people express interest, let's go for a coffee, those बन जाते हैं, नसीब वाले होते हैं, जिनकी शादी भी हो जाती है। बताएंगे कि ये मतलब क्या है कॉफी का जादू, किस तरह दोस्ती और फिर
जैसे आपने कहा कॉफी की वजह से मेरी शादी हो गई, तो कॉफी तो मेरे लिए
Actually, coffee or gym.
Gym, yeah.
Coffee or gym.
Yeah.
Yeah, actually. So.
बिल्कुल यहाँ पर मैं आपसे जानना चाहूँगी फिल्म इंडस्ट्री में किसे कॉफी पिलाने की इच्छा है आपको और जब भी फिल्म में जाएंगे नेक्स्ट किस को आप कॉफी की इस
नहीं, मैं चाहूँगी कि पूरी फिल्म इंडस्ट्री आके ब्लेंड्स कॉफ़ी में कॉफ़ी पिए या ऑर्डर करे ब्लेंड्स कॉफ़ी से, कॉफ़ी तो इधर पिलानी थी, वो जो कॉफ़ी वाली ये बात कर रहे थे वो तो पिला दी।
मुझे मेरा आंसर मेरे पास है।
Any particular actor actress जिसे आप चाहते हैं कि काश ऐसा हो कि हम फैमिली के साथ या दोस्ती के तरीके से हम साथ।
मेरा मन है because I know I would want to take Shahrukh sir to Blends Coffee because he loves his coffee.
Yeah.
So yeah, if you ask me, मैं ये कहूँगा कि शाहरुख सर।
मेरा सवाल आपसे है, आप दोनों से है, अच्छा टीम प्लेयर है, आप लोगों ने इसके अभी हमने सब कुछ देखा, आप लोग क्यों नहीं है एज अ कपल प्रमोट करते हैं?
वीडियो में क्यों नहीं?
अच्छा, वीडियो में क्यों नहीं?
वो अभी नहीं, वो शूट एक्चुअली हमारा बाकी है। We wanted to announce it in front of the media today. So whatever you're seeing are international videos, but you will see videos featuring both of us soon.
I have a question to ask. So, Rakul mentioned that beverage business is basically divided into 4 brands in India. Ask in terms of pricing and affordability, like are you targeting a specific sector of your consumers or tourists to the larger consumer comes?
So larger consumer, I think what she said is absolutely right. There are 4 dominant players in the market, and there are a lot of startups which are also coming in the coffee space. While it looks like that it is getting crowded, but India is one of the lowest in per capita coffee consumption at this stage. Even a city like Bombay, where we see everybody eats out, people eat out or have something outside once in 3 days. And a city like Jakarta, which is a developing country like that, is 1.5 times a day.
Oh,
so in times to come, when we start spending more, especially young, and younger generation is more into beverage, so they spend a lot of time for work, for meeting people or everything else in these coffee shops. You will see the expansion of coffee shops would be much, much higher because they are not just only about food or beverage. It's a place where people meet or work, and that's the idea. So we will also cater to all formats. We'll have large cafes where people can work. We'll have neighborhood points where families can go. We'll also have corporate locations. We'll also go to airports, all travel locations. India has 240 airports, one of the biggest travel markets. So we'll be opening
Just
up.
one thing, like basically the large, if I can say, the Dabri consumer, how far are we, from tapping into those consumers?
That also is changing, but that what you're mentioning is also changing because the new infrastructure needs better formats, better hygiene, better quality. So answer is that obviously as we go along, idea is to pick up the largest and make it more inclusive as much we can do.
Would you be looking at hotels also?
Ji, bilkul, absolutely. Especially
have your own.
we're doing partnerships with hotels where you will have blends available everywhere. Yeah.
And Easy Gym would also enter the hospitality sector?
Abhi nahi, Easy Gym would stay into creating these clubs and driving membership and flexibility, as she said, 24/7, you can walk in any time. And if you're traveling, say you are in member with Bombay, if you travel to Delhi and you want to use facility in Delhi, you can use that. And as Jackie used, you can use through app and book your session and go out and create. Maybe if you want to do strength or whatever, or you want to take classes, you can book your classes.
Will it also have an international accessibility?
Yeah, absolutely.
Oh, nice.
And no additional cost?
No additional cost. If you member with Easy, you member with Easy. Yeah.
It's that easy.
Hi sir, I'm Anjulika Bhagchandani. As you know, I'm a Sydney. So the question goes from one Sydney to another Sydney. Jackie Bhagchandani. It's a very innate urge to do a business and grow your money in different ways. So the business idea came from you or from Rahul to invest in this guy?
What do you think?
It's you.
No, to speak about Rakul, I think both of us, are partners in true sense, in personal life and professional life, and both of us think correct, in the same direction. We are very, very progressive in terms of growing, our net worth and so on and so forth. But the primary thing which both of us feel that whatever we get attached with should be good, should do good for people, and like I said, the byproduct will be the business. But yeah, this time it was my suggestion.
And to add to what you said, I think independently, even before we came together, both of us have been investors independently. And I think what Jackie said, that our thinking matches, our vision matches, and hence, this. But yes, this conversation, Jackie.
So this goes for a proper Sindhi answer. You got him? Yeah, great. Okay, we have one more question.
हेलो
आपको एक क्वेश्चन है।
हाँ जी।
फिटनेस के लिए बहुत जानी जाती है
जी।
तो आप एक इजी जिम आप अपने पर्सनल के लिए कुछ जुड़ना चाहती हो?
पर्सनल के लिए मतलब कि मैं जिम इंडिया में ले आऊँ और फिर मैं उसमें वर्कआउट करूँ? नहीं, मैं चाहती हूँ कि आप लोग भी सब उसमें वर्कआउट करो. द आइडिया इज़ लाइक आई सेड टू इम्पैक्ट in a way that people make fitness a way of life. देखिए, कभी कोई बोलता है कि टाइम नहीं है, कभी कोई बोलता है अफोर्डेबिलिटी नहीं है, and with Easy Gym we want to make that practice absolutely easy. It's affordable, it's accessible, it's 24/7, and I think post the pandemic there's been a shift in the way people view life. I think people have understood that health and wellness are of primary importance, and I think there's that shift towards wellness. सब लोग aware हो गए हैं, जो कुछ नहीं करता था वो walk जाने लगा है. So I think it's a great time. The fitness industry is booming, and what better than having something so easy all around.
Hi, I'm Nirali. First of all, very very congratulations to both of you. मेरा सवाल ये है कि आज मतलब इस जमाने में अभी बहुत सारे यंगस्टर्स हेल्थ को लेकर बहुत अवेयर है, जिम जाते हैं, योगा करते हैं, बट एट द सेम टाइम सोशल मीडिया पर भी उतना कंटेंट है कि कभी कभी रॉन्ग हैबिट्स अपना लेते हैं या कुछ गलत इन्फॉर्मेशन ले लेते हैं तो गलत डायरेक्शन में जाते हैं. बट मेरा आप दोनों से ये सवाल है कि what is the one fitness habit you think the young people should follow or start?
Okay, we'll answer.
So मुझे पता नहीं है कि आपको पता है कि मैंने 75 kgs कम किया है लाइफ में. 150 किलो का था मैं. I've lost 75 kgs. So I eat, sleep, breathe, talk, fitness, because मुझे कभी भी वापस 150 किलो का नहीं हूँ. So मेरा जो भी experience रहा है over the last 15-20 years of working out is that कोई shortcuts नहीं होते. मतलब जो रकुल ने कहा कि आपको सुबह उठ के जिम पहुंचना ही पड़ेगा और फिर उसके बाद आप 23 आवर्स में भी क्या कर रहे हैं वो बहुत ज़रूरी है. और तीसरा, of course we all know that social media is about user generated content, so every user is generating the content. So I would suggest you should not follow blindly to everyone. Pick your group and then follow one person, because if you follow 10 people, you सबके एक fads होते हैं, right? You cannot carry everyone's fad. So that's what I would say.
Yeah, I think just to add, authenticity of whom you're following is very very important. There's a lot of information, but like Jackie said, identify the people who are speaking the right thing and follow that motto, and there's no shortcut. I think in general to have a routine is very important, and you said one thing that we really swear by. One thing that we really swear by is your abs are made in the kitchen. You are what you eat, and we are very particular, or at least try to be, that we do not eat certain kinds of foods and we eat everything. फिर लोगों को लगता है अरे फिर ज़िंदगी में मज़ा क्या है, बट हम सब खाते हैं, बस फ्राइड नहीं खाते और मैदा नहीं खाते और चीनी नहीं खाते, बट दैट डजंट मीन हम पराठा नहीं खा सकते या हम दाल चावल रोटी सब्जी,
बट हम बाजरे की खाते हैं.
हाँ, बाजरा रागी ज्वार कुट्टू, all of that. So we are mostly millet consumers, but I feel, और अभी gut health के बारे में भी बहुत आ रहा है. So it's all about what you eat. You are what you eat, and that's I think a funda that both of us really follow.
मेरा सवाल सरकार है कि ईज़ी अपने मॉडर्न इक्विपमेंट्स के लिए जाना जाता है. अब वो इंडिया में लॉन्च हुआ तो उनको कुछ ऐसा इंडियन के लिए स्पेशल फीचर्स देखने मिल सकते हैं?
No, they have all features there and different. While we have the best equipment, which is we using Matrix. Matrix is #1 company in fitness equipment. And but apart from that, we have a lot of group classes, a lot of other things. So people have different preferences, or they can choose a particular exercise on a particular day. You want to do cardio or strength or your group classes, and there's also personal training available. A lot of people who get into fitness, they need a trainer to assist them in terms of guiding them in terms of exercise. And we also in our Delhi, which we opened up, you'll see we are one of the few gyms which has equal gender clubs, which have same. Otherwise, you go to some clubs, you are dominated by men. So here you have almost same ratio of men and women doing. Thank you.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, one last question.
We'll take that after.
Standard, yeah. It's all standard guidelines. Sorry? Equipment, standard equipments.
No, does it have a classification of what equipment should you use?
Absolutely, absolutely.
So that you will be following?
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah.
Just add it to it.
Yeah.
Ma'am, would you like to ask?
मेरा सवाल एक्चुअली आप दोनों से है, पति पत्नी से, कि मतलब दोनों एक ही प्रोफेशन के हैं, तो ज़्यादातर जब एक ही प्रोफेशन के दो लोग होते हैं तो उनकी बातें भी समवट सेम होती है. तो जब अभी लाइक आप लोगों की शादी हुई है और दोनों एक्टर हैं, दोनों हेल्थ कॉन्शियस हैं, तो मतलब आप लोग के बीच में प्यार मोहब्बत की बातें होती है कि सिर्फ डाइट एक्टिंग
ये राहुल तुम्हें आंसर करना चाहिए.
नहीं, मैं काम करती हूँ, पूरी प्यार मोहब्बत की बातें यहीं बता देती हूँ आपको. नहीं, प्यार मोहब्बत है तभी तो शादी हुई है, नहीं तो वर्किंग आउट पार्टनर्स रहते, जिम बडीज.
शादी के बाद प्यार बढ़ गया हमारे. बट दिस इज ऑफ द टॉपिक फ्रॉम टुडेज थिंग. मुझे 2 साल हो गए शादी करके, एंड मैंने शादी के पहले हाँ और मैंने शादी के पहले बहुत सुना था सबसे कि शादी के बाद ये होता है, शादी के बाद वो होता है, एंड यू नो इतने सारे मीम्स और रील्स बनते हैं,
जिंदगी खत्म. बट
मुझे लगता है मुझे ज़्यादा मज़ा आ रहा है, बिकॉज आई थिंक रकुल से मैं हर चीज़ शेयर कर सकता हूँ, यू नो एवरीथिंग. तो मुझे ना वो क्लॉस्ट्रोफोबिया फील ही नहीं होता, और मुझे लगता है कि अगर 2 पार्टनर्स के बीच में आप सब कुछ बात कर सकते हो विदाउट ईच अदर जजिंग ईच अदर, आई थिंक लाइफ कैन बी ब्यूटीफुल.
Thank you. Let's close on our Q&A over here. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
So patiently for answering all the questions. Let's quickly have a photo here with you guys. Raman ji.
नीचे फिर करना जरा, अरे इधर फिर करना.
I'm with a beautiful couple, new investors for Invision Brands. That's going to be Easy Gym Franchising India and Bisect. And let's hear a big one. थोड़ी जोरदार तालियां हो जाए यार. Well, I'd like to call our Sharon sir to join them for a lovely, lovely picture.
हाँ भाई
Okay, before we wrap up, let's
Rakul ma'am, look here. Rakul ma'am, look here. Rakul जी यहाँ पर देखो. Starting को भी. Right में right. Rakul जी यहाँ, Rakul जी. Rakul ma'am, look here. Straight here. Rakul ma'am, look here. Rakul ma'am, look here. Down. Jackie तो यहाँ पे. Rakul ma'am, look here. Cutie. Rakul ma'am, look here. Now sit here. Right. Wait. Solo. Rakul. बचा लिया. No solo, thank you. Hello guys. Cheating.